So first you split your part, and then you make a fixture to hold the bottom of the part in position. Then you delete the part from the bottom of the part from the fixture, offset the face just to make a little bit of extra room, and then make some more if you need them. Then merge the top of your part and the fixture as a single component, then save the bottom and the top and the fixture as two separate STLs, slice and print the bottom upside down, then slice the fixture and the top, print them together with a pause in between so you can insert your bottom part. And there you go, it's all taken care of. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helps you to print some of your parts a little bit neater and cleaner. And now we get to the, well, I hope I win the Dad Joke of the Year award for this, because as mentioned, I call this fixture printing, because you're printing fixtures that fix your print in place, and that fixed your printing. So thanks for watching all the way to the end.